Hi everyone. Hopefully you are all having a good weekend. As you know, Monday, tomorrow, or today maybe, depending on when you watch this, is the official start of the fourth quarter. So reminder that moving forward, all of your things that you are doing online are now going to start being recorded into PowerSchool as a grade. Now it's either collected or missing is how we're putting it into PowerSchool. So you're not necessarily going to see scores, you're going to see collected or missing. Okay, so I wanted to explain to you how I'm going to do this moving forward, or for this week anyway. Okay, so first off, on Monday, all of you from now on have your Google Hangout. First hour, you are from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Third hour, you are from 1 to 1:30. And sixth hour, you're from 1:30 to 2 o'clock. And this is going to be from now all the way until the end of the school year. Remember, like right here, it's under the stream, under your Google Classroom. This is where your login code is. I'm not going to send you the link anymore. This is for you to personally click on and just go right to it during your particular time sessions. Okay. Under classwork, if you go and hit classwork, all right. I hope this doesn't feel like it's overwhelming. It shouldn't feel this way. Even though you're seeing a ton of things here, not some of these are grayed out right now because I haven't assigned them to you yet. But I hope you understand from the time that you guys have went on break, so our last day of school till now, I have been giving you guys assignments from chapter 9. You were supposed to be working on your independent practice, moving yourself through the chapter. Really what you're seeing here is a part one. There's two parts to every single part. So there's two parts to part one. There's two parts to part two, two parts to part three. Same thing all the way down to part 6. There's two parts of it. The first part you're going to see is a video. And so what I've done is I have went over those lessons with you by going through your independent practice problems. And so the purpose of the video is just for you to be able to correct your homework. If you fast forward through the videos, that's fine too. If you just want to check the answers, I'm okay with that as long as you're getting the correct answers. This is just an extra resource available to you so that you can make sure you're doing it right. So I don't expect you to sit through the entire whole video if you actually understand and you're getting all your problems correct. But those of you who are struggling, you're not understanding, these videos are to help all of you, okay? What all of you are, well, you have two options this week, technically. So the first option for those of you who want to do it are going through your practice problems. Now, you are going to have to do all of the practice problems. So there's 9.1 practice problems, 9.2 practice problems, 9.3 practice problems. There's 9.4, 9.5, 9.6 practice problems, and altogether, I can't remember, I think there was 19 problems total. And so as long as you do the 19 by Sunday, that's what I want you to do, okay? It should tell you a grade, what you got on each thing by the end after you hit submit. But again, I tell you, like, hey, if before starting this, you might want to go back, check your independent practice, double check that you're doing it correctly, okay? You can use your calculator on those. You can use your textbook to help you figure those out. Like any resource available, like that your book you should have brought it home, you can use that to help you complete those problems, okay? So that's what you have to do. The 6 different parts for the practice problems by Sunday, okay? And I can tell who have done them and who haven't. And some of you have already started it because I know that I have already set those available to you, I think starting yesterday maybe, which was Saturday in my case. The next thing, if you don't want to do those, you do have the option to go to Khan Academy. All of you, I have assigned you guys, I think there was like 26 different lessons. As you know, some of these lessons you can get through it pretty quickly. But I mean, honestly, I have the videos, the resources, you can use your books. I think truly going through the practice problems probably would be the best, but that's just my thinking. So, but that's what you need to do. By the way, we do have, if you need help, if you and your family need any type of help, you can visit this website if you've learned about it. And it's just resources in our community to help you if you are, you and your family are struggling mentally and emotionally, financially, if food's an issue, anything. If you need help, this is where to go, and it's under the need help category. Okay. Anyways, I'm looking forward to hanging out with you guys on Monday for a hangout session. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know via going under the stream right here and posting questions right here for me. You can go under It's Learning, and at the very top, you could ask me a message, or you can obviously email me. So either one is fine. Okay. All right. See ya.